Hello and welcome back everyone to our channel Gaming Basics, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can go to a pilot driving school or flight school in your GTA San Andreas game. So to go to a pilot or flight school in your GTA San Andreas game, firstly you have to come up to this location right here. It's located in this verdant meadows, and it's in the middle of the desert kind of location where you guys can see planes on the map. So you guys need to come to this location, and after you have come to this location you need to find this building which is glowing like red in there, and you guys can just enter the building and you can go over to in front of this TV right here. And once you're in here you can see that you can play the tutorials for the flight school, so you can navigate through landing plane or takeoff or anything, and you guys can just click on start. And after you have done that, it will teach you how you guys can fly a plane. So it's telling me to press W, and so yes, and it's telling me the results, etc. So you guys can quit and quit again. And yes, this is how you guys can go to the flight school in your GTA San Andreas game and learn flying. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget the bell icon so you don't miss out on the next video. Also, if there is any video that you guys want us to do, then please comment it down below and we will do so for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.